Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change language on your Xiaomi 1C monitor screen. So in order to do this, you'll need to locate the joystick button on the backside of your monitor. It should be next to the power source. Now click in any direction with it, and that way you should pop up the Mi Monitor settings. Now scroll down all the way to the settings, move to the right. Then you'll be able to choose the language, go to the right, and now we can pick which one. So there's English, Espanol, Russian, Francese, Italiano, Deutsch, and Polish, Asian language, which I can't identify, and that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.